Yeah, good morning, everyone. My name is Jidofo Adibe. I'm a professor of political science and international relations at Nasarawa State University, KFI. I would like to address two concerns that many people have regarding Donald Trump 2.0, that is, Donald Trump, or the second coming of Donald Trump, known as the 47th President of the United States. One of the concerns has been how will he impact on the world given his flurry of executive orders, including the threat of use of high tariffs against countries that fail or refuse to do his will? The second is how will his actions impact on American democracy? For example, you see some of the executive orders, including on the suspension of citizenship by birth. Is American democracy under threat? The first point to note is that in international relations, there's what we call system polarity. System polarity is the way power is distributed in the international system. And in balance of power theory, we say that once any power moves to disequilibrate or to unbalance the way the system works, there will be a tendency for the other powers to join together in a countervailing move in order to restore balance. So we are going to look and see what happens as Donald Trump 2.0 unfolds. Will that lead to other powers that feel threatened moving together to countervail him? For example, he has threatened to impose tariffs on countries that fail or refuse to do his will. Now, will that lead to a kind of revenge or reciprocity in which other countries will also impose tariffs on American imports, or in fact try to undermine him in other ways? We will watch and see. And what will be Donald Trump's counter reaction? We'll see. Is he going to back down or not? Again, we'll see. For example, I do know he has expressed strong interest in buying Greenland. And I know I lived in Denmark for many years. I know that Greenland or Greenlanders are Danish citizens, just like people from Faroe Island. And Denmark is a member of the European Union. If Donald Trump moves very strongly in his quest to take over Greenland, will the other members of the European Union fold their arms? Or will they come together in a countervailing move in order to restore balance in the system? Again, we'll watch and see. Things are still unfolding. It's still early days. Will Donald Trump be a threat to American democracy? Again, we'll be looking at the resilience of American institutions against any move towards dictatorship or autocracy. We're already seeing a flurry of lawsuits against some of the executive orders. And again, this is an early days, and it's going to be very interesting. We'll keep on watching and see how events unfold. I'll keep you posted. Thank you very much for listening.